Okay, I'm back. Today, 8 a.m. New York, Friday, March 8, 2024. We got NFP incoming. We have NFP incoming. Gonna remove this. Yep, gonna redo everything. This is interesting. Yeah, of course it's bullish. Okay, NFP on 8:30 use 30 more minutes. It's otherwise US 100. We have the employment, non-farm payroll lowers, means lesser job. And then we have unemployment rate static, but the key thing about unemployment rate is in here. When we see the average hourly earning month and year of year decreasing, we know that the hourly earnings decreased because there's more employment. So this is not actually 3.7, it's more like unemployment rate is lower, so this is good. Unemployment rate low and non-farm payroll low. This should signal a strong economy, so no rate cuts, therefore we should still see dollar rising and index dropping. So US 100, we have this. Okay, gonna go to monthly. Wait, month. We have this fair value gap price is moving, then we have the buy side liquidity. Okay, weekly reacted off this bullish order block. Take note, it's the same like last time. I know, good practice though. Go to daily. This price rebalance, this one didn't break this low, so that's good. I like it. BC gets run in, but then price failed to display lower, not even taking out this intermediate term low, so we want to see price closing above this range, which it did. So I am bullish on Nasdaq. I like it so much. If we could see price go here, let's draw, or to this high, two targets. Yeah, this we're in daily. Gonna set it like that. Oh wait, colors change. Blue. Yeah. Okay. There we go. What else do I see? Nothing here. Maybe fair value gap. 4 hour. What do I see? We rebalance this gap, then rise. Okay, this looks really legit. We closed this CB right in this candle. Failed to take this high, went lower to rebalance this gap first and taking out this sell side liquidity. So this should be strong enough for us to push price higher now. So this is a strong low. I want to see price from here on took sell side liquidity. That is an equal low. But I like this part. Oh, take note. Okay. We didn't break this low. Don't like how deep it's gotten. Could use that as an OB. Go sell side liquidity. So price could either wait. No. Two up close candle, close below. This is a very short block. Price could either go here or up here. There's two way. I really can't know for sure. Really, I like we take sell side liquidity here, but I don't like if we take this one, which it did, because this makes a very short block. On the daily, we see that we have not mitigated it yet. Yep. Yeah, if you have to mitigate that candle. So what we did on 4 hour, we see this down close candle. Bearish or pop, we didn't take out this. So 4 hours not that clear. I'm gonna look at 1 hour, see what's up. Okay, 1 hour. This looks so weird and wonky. That is, yeah, suspicious. Do we have this busy inversed? This also. We have this intermediate term low broken. 1 hour price looks like it wants to go lower. But did we take buy side liquidity? Yes, we did. This high. Where do we take it? Into fair value gap. If I just do this, it looks a bit cleaner. There. Buy side liquidity ran out into this CB price fall. How about USD? Is there a cleaner chart here? Okay. Wanna take note of this. No. Take note of that. Go to monthly. Haven't hit it yet. CB. I don't know what that is. But like, do we have something here? Oh, we have a fair value gap. That's interesting. But I don't think that's appropriate right now. So I'll go look on weekly. USD Swiss, the weekly reacted off this CB. Didn't take out that bearish order block on the monthly. And then what I see, price lowering down, could possibly go here to this bullish order block as our POI. Most likely it's gonna happen. This news is telling me that dollars should go up instead of going down. But technicals tells me dollar go down, US 100 go up, but down. So I'm not sure. US 100 is 50-50 really. Could go down here, up there. I like if we get close to CB. That means we trick those people who shorted here. Just thinking probably gonna go rebalance this, right? But instead go higher. So I like to see that. In here we drop down, we have this liquidity, the liquidity, CB as liquidity. We have our draw, which is the CB, or either this bullish order block. Dollar looking bearish, very bearish. I don't think it's gonna go high. If dollar is falling, then you should see index up, which means this there should be an unexpected news coming, which derives off, which is different from the forecasted value. That must be it. So let me remove the gibberish here. It's too many. Where's this? This was our previous target, was it? Yes, it is. Got into profit. Okay. Gonna remove it now so I can see much cleaner. Bear with me, just cleaning it up without removing everything here so that I could narrate the story better. Okay, let's check out the monthly. Was it? So monthly bearish order block could be a target, or this one. Weekly, I see this CB used. I also have this bearish order block on a weekly, reacted off of it, creates the Tuesday high of the week, and we have NFP incoming. Probably gonna see downward pressure. It's like this panel, this candle right here. This is our draw. Dollar's very bearish, so I'll look this as my draw. Okay, my plan is that dollar bearish, Nasdaq bullish. I want to see price go here. What do I see? We have this original consolidation, SMR, probably reaching this low, right? We also inverse that, busy, and a couple of order blocks. Created this fair value gap on the daily. We're still on daily. Okay, probably gonna reach for the sell side. Liquidity, take note of this. Market maker sell model, daily. We do have this candle right there. Is that a bearish order block? Yes, it is. It can be. You can use it. Okay, it's a bearish order block. Could use and then go down. Go look on here. Wait, let me go back. What do I see next? 4 hour, then the 1 hour last. I want to see reaction off of this level. If we are going bearish, then I would like to see this, where we have no fair value gap here, but up here. That's interesting. I don't really like the setup. I don't really like it. So I'm not gonna trade USD Swiss yet. Unless after news, maybe we see something. Non-farm payroll, right there. 5. Why is it 5? Okay, of course. Not seeing nothing. We have this intermediate term low, which was broken. That's interesting right there. Was broken. There's turtle soup here. So a lot of people who long here now, probably trying to mitigate their long into short here, but I don't see any traces. So maybe I like to see this goes down displacement, create FEG, then sell side delivery. I like to see that happening. That should be enough for me. Probably target this low. Okay. Now on US 100 or an H1. This was the CB. Wait, not in context. Okay, this one looks very bullish. Take the bulls outside liquidity, retrace 50% of this candle range. This low is strong. First that, and retest that inverse busy. So completing the market maker buy model, we should be targeting this high. So I'm bullish on US 100, bearish on dollar. We'll see which setup arise where it's much cleaner, give us better RR. We have this probably an order block, since we didn't take out this low. What should we use it? We use it. Let's just use it. Let's just use it, bro. Apply SL side liquidity. Bear a bullish order block right there. Interesting. We take the main threshold. It reacted off of that really well. I'd like to take note of that as well. Main threshold is being respected really to the T. I like that. That is a good sign. We are bullish. Algorithms are telling us we're bullishing. I'm gonna look at H1. I like Nasdaq better than USD Swiss now. Thinking of taking this straight instead of this one. Even though we have that Tuesday high of the week, but I'm not that particularly convinced that we can take this low. Yeah, I'm not that convinced because we have no fair value gap here. There's no reason for rebalancing, right? Go our daily. Do we have any? Yeah, we don't have any. There's no FEG to be balanced. Even on a weekly. It's too far. It's probably right here. Oh, we have one here. Okay, let me check. H1. 10 more minutes before news. Okay. Okay, so this high probability fair value gap to be rebalanced. I guess I have some set up here where we could give range for this outside liquidity rate, which has fair value gap as well. But like, I like this one better. It's cleaner. Since we're trading after news, I like to see some displacement down, giving us signs that it wants to go here. Yes, 100. see price reacted here, reacting to that level, but we're not even there yet. We are making this liquidity, so and that fair value gap, I want to see price like be specific. I want to see it does this, this max, and go down, closing any this first, then retesting that, send price lower. Yep, I like this. Why? Because we have this fair value gap. Right there. We have resting liquidity. Right there. I'm gonna see price do this. Yeah, that's about it. Let's price take this low, break even. Okay, here we have the SIBI. I'm bullish here. I don't like bearishness. It does not look like it wants to go down. Though we have that busy our time frame. I like it. Expansion up. Okay. We don't have any fair value gap except this one. So RCBs. Complements. I like it better if we close this two inverses. Simply as that. Because within this range there should be a lot of powerful energetic move right there. 8 more minutes. So my game plan for dollar to that, here's 100 to this. Gonna wait for news to come up and give me the sign where it's gonna go. Am I gonna take this entry? Of course not. We are on NFP. Okay, price could literally just take both sides. So I'm just gonna wait what the market gives us. Look for 50 minutes. Each one. I think we have the SIBI. I'll take note of that. Create a swing high off of that SIBI. Trust goes down. It's the same as yesterday. Fails, displays up. Yesterday it did the same pattern. Gonna look at 50 minutes. Create a swing high here. Rebouncing this. This low should not be broken. Right. We do have this relatively cool low. And buy side liquidity taken into this CB. We might just take this low though. That looks great. Fair value gap. Buy side liquidity. Cool low. Maybe go down here, then up, down. But we have like 6 more minutes, so there shouldn't be enough time for that. I'm gonna trade the after news. Okay, we're waiting. See, there's a lot of displacement. Yep, probably taking this low now. Interesting how we're almost news price like trying to seek liquidity, or is pricing in discount. Maybe we should see a indecision candle taking this high. Did this probably go down? Maybe not go down at all, just continue up. But this doesn't look like a good microstructure shift for price to do that. This can only be bullish if NFP decides to. So therefore I'm not trading the news. It's just logical for me to not do that. Now we wait, boys. Always have different point of views, bullish point of view and bearish point of view, so you get sympathize with short traders while you're long, and sympathize with long traders when you're short, so you know where money flows coming in, whatnot. That is the market maker model. So right now I'm just waiting for news to come out and show me its hands. We're probably gonna see a lot of volatility in the dollar, not so much here. But of course this NFP, it will give us volatility, but not to the dollar extent. Okay, we have this BC. That's a good fair value gap right there. We are currently on it, 50 minutes. Still 2 more candles to go. Oh no, 3 more minutes. So this is interesting. That we are 3 more minutes left before news and we are priced in fair value gap. Take note of that. This is interesting stuff. We get a close below here. We should take the sell side right on news. So if we close below here. Okay, on this one, I like to see it close there. Then we could look for a new draw to the upside, because we already take sell side liquidity out. Spread by order block, everything. You know it's gonna go up. Can also watch the news and its impact, so I can revise my plan fundamentally as well. I want to see this one. Dollar is looking interesting right now. Come on, show me your hands. Interesting. Using this bearish order block, price pull lower, although our draw is the upside. If it wants to go down, probably reach here. We could still check for displacement. Check 1 hour. Got nothing here. Okay, use impact. Okay, set to go lower here. We went up. Okay, using that busy to get this fair value gap. CB. This is interesting. Okay, for the dollar, I want it to be just a turtle soup. Oh, look at that. It's this turtle soup. We gotta have to wait out. Look at that. Wait for turtle soup, bro. Turtle soup. That is algorithmic. Very algorithmic. Crazy. Yes, 100. Oh, he took that. Okay, we're very bullish. This one's very bullish. Both of them very bullish, bro. I don't know if we can get an entry though. We have this turns to order block, right? Price leaving us. If price leaving us, then that's fine. That is indeed what happened. Crazy. Precise, bro. I'm probably gonna hit this buy side. Oh man, bye bye man. Well, we predicted it right, but we didn't have any entry. I'm not risking getting my spreads or slippages. Okay, we're definitely going up there. How accurate that was. Go to busy, go stuff. Oof. Price go down. Okay, I want to see the result on this. Okay, it's actually positive. Like I said, there was going to be something weird, something. Okay, lowers, increase. This is interesting. So unemployment rate rises. This rise in unemployment rate will cause pressure on rate cuts. Therefore, we should see dollars going down, which is why it moves down while index goes up. Of course, this is very logical. It even used that busy right to the tick, even the dollar. Look at that. H1, I think that was an H1 candle. Yeah, H1 fair value gap, bro. That buy side liquidity, bull, so sell liquidity, low. Probably targeting this next, this fair value gap. Shall we trade it? I don't have any target on US Nasdaq. Yeah, this is beautiful though. What happened? What did I click? I don't know what happened. I guess I'm closing it. Beautiful delivery. Right to the target that we said we will. Okay, I'm probably gonna trade the dollar, Swiss, and have this target in mind. Where? Why? Tuesday high of the week. Right here. So NFP decides to go down, of course. Taking almost hitting here. Why am I liking this? Why I like that level? Just remove this because we did already. I have this fair value gap, which I really enjoy looking at. Right there. So we'll look at 50 minutes. Okay, probably want to reach here next. Obviously. Sorry, someone called me. Okay, let's get back to business. Still looking for shorts, but like probably look for shorts on Monday, not today. because we have no news after non-farm payroll. Probably WASDE report. I forget what this is. WASDE report. I think this was some commodity type stuff. Related assets. No. Baker Hughes oil rig count, total rig count. Okay. Nothing important here. Stuff 12. You know price gonna reach here. That is so clean. Price definitely gonna go down here. It's crazy. How the frick did we get this so accurate? I don't understand. We only use the ranges that we made, right? This cycle. Using this cycle, oh my god, that is. IDCT said to use the cycle, and I use it. He said he promised that the algo will refer to them, and it did. Holy shit. Okay. See if this candle, this vertical line right here, this marks the shift. Oh my god. Yeah, we're hitting this busy. This order block as well. That is just too clean, bro. Very clean. Weekly. I want a photo, some screenies. Okay, great. I'll go 1 hour. This is bear short order block now, so I'll do that. I remove this, so I don't need anything more. Remove this, remove. Look how it referred to that bearish order block, like we said. We said it here, I think. Daily. This was a bearish order block, maybe weekly. Okay, there it is. This was the bearish order block that we mark, and price uses that level. That is so cute. So cute, man. How is it so accurate? I don't understand no more. It's so accurate. Oh my god. So accurate, man. Unbelievable. Look at this CB. We marked that CB. Remember? Oh shoot. I've fallen in love. Falling in love. Probably I'm looking for shorts here. Maybe on 15 minutes we could get a fair value gap to the downside, maybe. I'm not gonna look for 1 minute though, because that doesn't make sense. So we already take the social liquidity. If I wanna go on 1 minute, we should see a retracement first, and then once it goes down, I'll look for. So it's like this. Goes up, and then as it goes down, take this external from this internal. I'm comfortable doing 1 minute entry FEG. But if we don't have that and we just boring, you know, with no lower time frame context market maker model, then it will fail because it's not in context. Okay, I don't know what's my A plus. I don't think this was an A plus. Well, in my understanding it is. I can identify it, you know, because I just trade what I see. No fair value gaps. I want to see some. Probably gonna reach here. gun to my head. Gun to my head. Price gonna reach sell side liquidity. How long, man? Almost 1 hour. Okay, on 5 minutes we see this SIBI. That's the only SIBI I see. Might just as well mark it out. But it's the lowest I'm going for. 5 minutes, 50 minutes. It's in line. That SIBI we found on the 5 minute, it's in line with the 15 minute bearish order block or 1 hour bearish order block. I want to see price go to this low. High probability. Minutes, nothing. This could just be a breakaway gap. So looking for shorts lower time frame. Maybe I could find something. Ah, I missed it. This is great. Oh, that is great. Short here on the SIBI. Do we have an entry? No. No fair value gaps. Immediate rebalance? No. Just tiny one. Let's see this one. Gets rated. And continue lower. Maybe max out going up here to the SIBI. But if we take the sell side, then that's okay. We're seeing visible slowing down. See, decrease, probably. Okay, not so much anymore. But we are definitely decreasing momentum. We're hitting it. Okay, let's call it a day, I guess. We will take the sell side, right? I won't say I missed this because price did not ever use this SIBI to go short. But this is what I call a fair value gap entry in context. It's where we retrace the internal range, which is the SIBI, then goes to external to this low specifically, not this one. But since they're pretty close in comparison, so we also use that. That's why any fair value gap entry here should send price lower here. It should be protected until we get to this level. We have this another SIBI, if you like to use that. Okay, we didn't hit it. None of our fair value gaps being hit. Yep. Okay, we're using it. Should I go short? I want to see swing high form. Needs to be in context. I like it to go to premium range. I like it to go like from this here to premium. Then I'll take a SIBI, another SIBI entry to this draw. it should be this now. And the premium of this range is, change that real quick, optimal trade entry, right? So I want to see price go above this discount into a premium, which is this, and that makes it swing high. That's what I like to see in price. Volume seems to be picking up here from this down close candle to this up close. So there's some willingness, there's buyer willingness to go into the CB, into a premium at least. Are we in premium yet? No, but we did rebalance this, so if we make swing high here and I create a CB, maybe we can enter it. We have this busy. I'm gonna take note of this as well. Another busy down there, so maybe busy, yeah. Okay, we close 20 more seconds. If we make swing high here, I will identify this as a intermediate term high. Even better if we see a fair value gap, a CB. But once we make CB, we probably already take out ourselves a liquidity, so no trades. That's why I want price to reach here before I create CB, so at least we have some range to work in. I don't think this is high probability to go down, but I don't think this is high probability for my risk to reward ratio. I mean, if we could just go short here, right here, then risk should be on that FEG high, targeting this. That's a 2 to 1 entry. Let me open my trade. Made swing high there. I think just gonna market it. Just gonna go with this is not that high probability for my RR, so I'm gonna size down. Looks like we are engineering some liquidity here, tricking people that this is a bearish order block. It's not, because those who shorted this bearish order block has already taken out their short position here. Those who are in the wrong here, who shorted here, will have to mitigate their losses into longs. We'll see expansion. Am I gonna short this? Of course not. This is not even here, because like in context, I want to see swing high and then a CB. I'm entering on a CB, not on a OTE retracement type. No. Because I need to see displacement. We just had this massive displacement, right? So we're going to consolidate. Therefore, there's going to be some liquidity that's going to be formed, and I don't want it to be that liquidity that's to be formed, because most likely we'll get ran out. Gonna wait for displacement to show its hand that it already has that liquidity. Probably here into here. We'll see swing high and CB. Let's say if we short some CP right here, right? Maybe a CISD entry. Will still be bad though. You know what? I will not enter this trade if it has a risk to reward ratio lesser than 1. I will not enter it. Okay, we use the CB. That is beautiful. I like to see a swing high form here, then creates a CB. Can I do volume? We have increase in volume here. Okay. Should we short here? Not yet. Look at how. Still tries to go up there. I want to see CB. Minutes. Well, I think I want to look at other time frames. Okay, that looks, yeah, we rebalance this range. I don't see price coming up here. It's just unlikely. We do have the CB, but it's too far. We go 15 minutes. We have a CB, right to this price of liquidity. But if you look at 1 minute, this high was already rebalanced, so there's no need for price to go above here to rebalance that entire time frame 15-minute CB. So we should see price just continue downwards in this context. I don't see enough liquidity, but I'm still convinced like BP setup for price to go down here. Just from my gut feeling. I don't know what specifically. The fact that we failed here, probably generate some liquidity here. Those who shorted wanted to short this order block, bearish order block to this key level, failed. Tries to go along on this bullish order block right here. We see a reaction off of this bullish order block from that bearish player who mitigate their shorts into long, and then we see this long position. I want to see this long position gets destroyed now. If we see that, yeah, we're most definitely going down. If we see, but price is not looking like it wants to go down. If we see that price comes down, breaking this part of the consolidation, just see price going below. That is too clean. That's a key level right there. So clean. And it's reacting off of this bearish order block. If this breaks this low from here, I think I like it. See how accurate that is. That's a bullish order block, a bearish order block that's being used right here. If I see like an outside bar, that should be beautiful. Okay, price Suspect taking this buy side. I want to see we are now approaching OTE. Let's see how it does in this zone, OTE zone. I'm taking this buy side liquidity. Does it show willingness to repel, or does it continue higher? I guess if price decides to consolidate too much, we could take note of 930, but still too far away, so we don't have to worry yet. Still gonna take about 9. Let's wait what price does. Yeah, if we close a candle like this, okay, I don't think this will hold. Probably reaching this higher time frame CB. If you like, you can just review this target, because we should see a down close candle right here. Price decides to give us this really powerful bullish candle. We're probably gonna go up because we mitigate those shorts into longs here. That inverse the CB, creates this 1, 2, 3 breakaway gap. Yep, we're gonna reach here. But of course, I can't enter on that. It's too small of a time frame. Maybe after we take some liquidity, we go down. Whether it's enough or not, yeah, it's probably enough. Maybe into this bullish, bearish order block while we're at it. Then send price lower. But so I'm just gonna do this. Since I'm not gonna watch price. As price goes up, I wanna see it uses this bearish order block. Okay, it's trying to use this busy. Okay, using busy goes up, take buy side liquidity into this bearish fair value gap and bearish order block higher time frame. Then send price lower to this low. Just if we turtle soup that, we should see price going from external to internal, from liquidity into FEG, from bearish FEG into bullish FEG. Talk to you guys again on Monday. So I'm not gonna wait this out really. I'm gonna look on Monday. Price to go, some price lower here. Even though we have a lot of time for price to reach here. Right? Till 12. London close. That's enough time for price to take this draw. Am I going to capitalize on that? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna wait until 9:30. That's how long I'm gonna wait. Interesting. I felt the takes this high. This is why I don't really like it, because after a huge move like this, price will usually consolidate, right? We making CB. I don't really like it. I like it if we take this high and then make a CB, but not when it's out of context like this. Probably can go long if this CB gets inverse. You know, I don't like short this one. Okay, we have that CB. We close above it with like 3 candles. Yeah, definitely going up. And this drive down is probably just to discount at this order block to this inverse CB. If we have that close, tell us that we have displacement trying to come up here. So wait, we'll wait, we'll wait, we'll wait, we'll wait. I'm gonna wait 9:30, bro. For trade. Always be patient. I know, but we're not even supposed to trade NFP, man. This looks clean though. If we could have a break above this high and then displacement down. If we have a close here, in this inverse, I'm also making an outside bar. Oof, I love it. We should send price higher here. And take close attention to this candle right there. 20 more seconds. This candle is important because we take sell side liquidity and take buy side in one candle. Sell side liquidity take out those shorts to fuel price higher, and we have that momentum from taking this high. So I like outside bar. Even better, okay, we're gonna send price higher. There should be high probability, double top, key level, where people will try to short. They should send price higher. Ugh. Meow, meow, meow. Should, because this is in context. If we have a close above this CB, creates that busy, that's a BPR. Balance price range. 10 more seconds. If we have closed, then price should take this high, then that high, and finally this high into this CB, and then drop after taking all of that liquidity. It should have enough fuel to send price lower on 9:30. Indices open. Waiting. Yeah, we close above that CB, create an outside bar. That's very high probability. We have also this draw. While in context, original consolidation, SMR, external range, rate. Market maker buy model, a buy program. We are in this buy program, that's why there's so little down close candle. Pew pew pew. Half an hour left, and then if we still consolidate without breaking this high, then I'll not watch the market. If we do break this high, then I want to see a displacement lower before 10. If we don't have that, then I'm quitting, call it a day, and wait for Monday, because that tells me that we're still consolidating. Probably not gonna reach there till Monday for new influx of money. I'm just gonna use timing. 9:30 here. Still half an hour left. Look on 5 minutes. That's it right there. Sitting right there. See that? $50 CB right there. Fin that, we have this. 1 hour. Oh look, we're so close. Yep, we took that. Created a bullish order block. See this down close candle? That's a bullish order block. I'm gonna send price higher to this draw next. So I'm gonna do this. And officially into this bearish order block. Why? Because it's this CB consequent encroachment. Look at how accurate that is. This should be high probability. This should be a strong level where algos will try to reference the data point price level. See, took buy side. Why? Because we are in context. This is not short. Okay, yes, we took buy side liquidity and we displaced lower with FEG, but we're not in context. That's why this was not short. It should be a buy. Okay. Once price take this high, I want to see price breaks lower with a CB, and maybe check. I'm gonna remove this though. Don't need this. Don't need for this. No this. No. No. Extend this out. Extend that out. We didn't take it. Instead we make this engineered liquidity. If we start creating a CB here, probably taking this low and then goes up again, completing the context. This looks like turtle soup though, but we didn't take this one, nor do we went into this fair value gap. But if you look on the 15-minute, we did went in this CB, so we should be mindful. This could be just price sending lower, but I like this one because we have everything in line for short right there. If this breaks, then probably going long. So this is the best case scenario for price. That's why I'm not gonna enter through here. I'm not gonna base off my story on this, even though it's possible, because this level has more confidence on it. He could still send price lower here to this low, and then maybe we start to consolidate. We can probably try to reach back to that high and lower. Cycle repeats. Oh my god. Hoping 930 give us some energy. I wanna go watch the 5-minute. Okay, no busy here. 15-minute, nothing. So there's only 1 minute. After this intermediate term low. Have this fair value gap that is not mitigated yet. That's interesting. This is an intermediate term low. If we break this low, probably gonna if we break this low and close below this busy, preferably makes a bearish order block. It doesn't need to close below this bullish order block. You just need to, once you close here, create bearish order block. Then I'm sure price will send lower. Okay, price buys liquidity. Didn't break this low because it's important. If we break this low, probably gonna try to close this CP. We create bear should block, then price will go lower. But instead, price goes to this consequent encroachment of this bearish fair value gap. I want to see displacement lower now. Hmm? Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, we made the CB. Let's see price. This is so hard to read, you know. I like to see price closing this busy specifically. If I see that, I'll enter on that CB. If we close below this busy, why? Because between this down close candle and this down close candle low, this down close candle high and this down close candle low, This is a liquidity void, so price will try to reach here, and once we break this, probably I'll get really big conviction if we close below here. So here, boop, boop. Still waiting. Open float is still bullish. We're still not seeing any intermediate term low being rammed. I want to see this too gets destroyed. That should be beautiful. This BC is also in the equilibrium. Sits in discount. So if price does break below here and then creates a bearish block, that bearish block is the second stage redistribution, 100% price lower without any retracement up. That is absolute. Oh, we're consolidating too much, bro. I can't bear it. I know I could just like look on once we get to 9:30, maybe 10. Silver bullet. Yeah, silver bullets here. If we consolidate too much, we might just look for silver bullet. 10 to 11, silver bullet, baby. I want to see 9:30 give us that map structure shift. This period 9:30 to 10. I want to see open float being bearish, and then 11 refuge entry. This salsa liquidity, bullish order block, and busy. We're just consolidating so much, bro. So boring, not a lot of movement. I guess we could wait for 10, 11 for that displacement index, but this is not index though. We should see some movement before 10. Come on, come on. Market structure shift. Market structure shift. This should be beautiful. A beautiful. A beautiful. A beautiful. A beautiful. Let's see. I'm loving it. Touch this bearish order block. This becomes, if we rebalance this, makes a swing high right here while rebalancing this BPR CB, and this would become a long-term swing high. This become intermediate term swing high. Oh, that is powerful pattern. Okay, we got that. So this is intermediate term high. Let's see price do this. Pressure block, close below. Boom. Goes down, creates a pressure block, enter here, and goes down, close below this busy, creates a pressure block, enter here. Second stage. First stage, distribution, second stage distribution, and this part here is going to send price low fast. Swatch price. This candle takes up this high, it's okay as long as we make a swing high without breaking this low while rebalancing this. Okay, you see some displacement lower. No fair value gap though, but we have this, what do we call this? Wick. Long wick. I like this long wick. This long wick, we should see some pressure. Okay, pressure should go up, leaving this small time frame liquidity here and there. And we have this gap right there. Go wait. I want to see open float being respected bearishly. So which means this swing high is protected, and then this intermediate term low gets annihilated. Okay, we don't see it. $9.30. $9.30, pushing price higher. It's not coming lower. Oh, did take this high. Starts to wick. 20 seconds. If it makes an outside bar, then we have really powerful signature open float bearish just by that alone. Lower sell right there. And our first stage would be once we make this into a bearish order block or a breaker. and turn that breaker. Then once we inverse this BC, creates a very short block. This will be our second stage, second entry. I'm waiting. Right, made another swing high. Unable to break this swing high. Incredible. If we have a close in this candle, 10 more seconds, yeah, probably have a close. This becomes intermediate term low, intermediate term swing high, which will support price. Okay, we see price going lower. Do we take this into? Okay, we do have that. Using this, we close below here, and then if price close below here. First stage, second stage. If we have a close below here, this becomes bearish overblock. In fact, we already have a bearish overblock right there. Take note of it. Respecting it. Yeah. Goes higher. Consolidation. Still 1 more minute to go. Let's give it some chance. Okay. So price trades into that bearish 5-minute order block, into that CP, creates intermediate term high. This high should be our first stage distribution. Send lower into this busy. I'm practicing. This high should be protected. That's a good RR. 1.7. But I'm not taking it until I have a close below here. I'm gonna see price go here, and then I guess I'll call it a day. Monday I'll tell you guys what happened here. Maybe either that or I wait until 12, just watching price, right? 5-hour screen time. Sheesh. If I'll take this intermediate term low, keep that in mind. Open float is kinda slightly bearish. We make swing high here, that's still okay. How many hours? Almost 2 hours. This is too long, man. Okay, we take out the swing high. If we take out the swing high as well, then I'm gonna cut. I'm not gonna trade. If we take out the swing high, I'm not gonna trade. If we break this swing high, then we're not in context no more. So there's no logic yet. We're still consolidating. If we take this high, take note of that. We still have this CP though. I don't know. I guess as we failed to break out lower, right? CISD bullish order block now. If we can still make this, could just be turtle soup into this triple bottom. We make swing high while bouncing the CB. I could still consider it. But if price break this high, then we'll probably see continuation lower on Monday or Tuesday. So we'll call this a day. If we take out this long-term high. Do we make a swing high? 22 seconds. This displacement could just price taking buy side liquidity and rebouncing the CB. But if it breaks this high, I don't really like it then. At least for me, it's not that interesting because it will take some time for price to actually inverse this. Okay, looks like we're making swing high. I guess I could wait. Price takes sell side and then to this busy. Key pattern that I always see is before we take a swing low, we should see price taking a high. Before price going to a busy, price should go to a CB. Premium to discount. Total premium into both discount. Weird, huh? If price take out this high, I'm not gonna trade. If it takes this low and I inverse this, I'll continue. This looks like possible. This intermediate term low. Suspicious. A lot of liquidity here because this is a key level. See how price bounce off that level a couple times. price could just take this loss of liquidity and go up, right? But if it inverts this BC, then I know it wants to go lower. It wants to use that momentum to go lower. Oh, waiting. Almost 10 o'clock. Wait, 10 to 11. 11 max, bro. Max. Okay, I'm just gonna wait till 10:30 maybe or something. I'm gonna pause ya. See you at 10 o'clock. Hello everybody, it's 10 a.m. and price action is not looking too good. Want the price to at least break some intermediate term lows, it did not. But this is interesting, I want to learn from this. Let's see what can we learn. It's 10 a.m. now, giving it displacement. Volume should be picking up anytime soon. There's news on 12th doesn't really matter anymore. CB. Get that CB right there. 930, not doing anything. 930 to 950. Probably take some buy side liquidity. Rebalance this high. Price did not break this high, so I guess I can classify this as an intermediate term high. That's the CB again. Price went there. Did not take out this high. Rebalance it. Resume high. Lowers. If we close below this busy, then I guess I can take some shorts. But that's the only thing. Only way I'm gonna take some shorts here. If we take this for 11 specifically, I don't know, bro. It's just weird. Price action is weird. I don't think I'm gonna trade. Just gonna watch it. But I'm still bearish here. Buy side liquidity to this. That's a model. This is a model as well. But none of this model take up any of this low. That's why I don't really like it. We're just consolidating. For 15 minutes. Okay, we're saying something close below that. Busy in a smaller time frame. You should see a bearish order block and forming. Yep, love it. If we get close below here, yeah, I like the intermediate term. Inverse this busy. The draw is most definitely to that. Moving it again. Our time frame. Filled that liquidity void. Tries to goes down. Tries to go down. Consolidates here, which is expected. I don't know if we are going to see some price action coming in lower. Looks like we are attacking. Oh, we have the CB. We inverse this busy. Probably going to CB and then go lower from that. If we take salsa liquidity, man, come on. I need to know. This is London close. London close. Where's the daily range? Let's see. 8:30. That's news on this candle. So right there. Where is OO? OO. Somewhere there. Okay, that's OO. By just using the daily range, right, we can expect some retracement. This is Friday, TGIF, right. Just do that, and then daily's high. I think around here. Nope, it's that 30 candle. And I wanna set it to optimal trade entry. Yeah, we already retraced quite high into discount. almost to premium. Went to premium right there. This is a premium swing high. Looks like London close won't be setting that low anymore. But it could be. This swing high is high probability because it's the premium. It's in premium, the daily range. You could target this low, but like I want to see this low gets breaking, then this busy. Once this low gets breaking, this busy, there should be a huge close candle here. Down, bearish overblock. See my bearish overblock entry. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. 10 to 11, man. We are deep discount. I'm waiting for price to do its thing. Hopefully it doesn't get too long, cause I need to wake up early tomorrow. Come on. Should I just skip this trade? No! We need screen time. It's not about the trade, it's about the screen time, brother. Alright, whatever you say. Should see some volatility injection on 10 to 11. Okay, if the CB looks like price trying to reach there, very big swing high, lower. Hopefully take that low so that we could be in context again. Support resistance idea. This is support, this is resistance. Price go here, we short. this looks bearish more than it is. In retail space, this is bullish. In liquidity space, this is slightly bearish. If we take this high, I'm quitting, bro. I mean, looking at Monday. Yeah. Okay, we break this high. I didn't see it. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, so no trades today. Bye bye.